employee on build and also to upload bulk employees. To do this, kindly click on payroll on the build dashboard. There are three tabs. We have the dashboard tab, we have the employees tab, and the pay runs tab. Now let's go back to the employees tab where you would have the option to either import your employees or do a bulk upload. And then you can also add them one by using the add an employee tab. Now let's take the first scenario where we use the import employees. To do this, kindly click on import employees. You'll be required to download a sample file which is shown as seen below. Here you'd be required to enter your first name, your last name, the basic salary of the employee, the taxable allowance, the contact details, the role, the SNIT number, the staff ID, and the TIN. Once you are done, you will now click on select file to do the upload in the system. Once you are done with the upload, your employees would be created and saved in the system. Now let's take a look at the second approach where you create them one by one. To do this, kindly click on add an employee. The employee template will pop up for you to fill. Over here, the main focus is to fill the boxes that have required underneath. So here you start off with the first name of the employee, you add the last name of the employee. Now proceed to add the phone number of this employee and also add their email address. You also need to check their resident status, that is letting us know if they're a resident of Ghana or they're non-resident. Now add their Ghana card number or their NIA number. You can also choose to add their role or position, which is not compulsory, and then you also add the start date of this employee. If they have been assigned to a particular department, you can select it and then also check the employment status of this employee. You can also toggle on the income tax button and the pension button. That is if you are making contributions towards their SNIT and Tier 2 and also making payments towards PAYE. At the payroll information section, kindly add their basic salary information. Also add their taxable allowance, any reimbursements that would be due to them. And you can also add the employee bank account number and bank branch. Now, when you are done, you can either choose to click on save and add new. That is if you have another employee to add, or you can just click on save and close to save this particular employee details. Once you click on save and close, the employee would be created and you can proceed with your further transactions. This will bring us to the end of this lesson and kindly stay tuned for other lessons.